Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, active Evo, 80 PS. The car is in great shape and it has a top spec, including cruise control, an automatic post-collision brake, front and rear parking sensors, a hydraulic brake assist, hill hold control, and these 15-inch Galway alloy wheels. Now looking at the boot, it's a good size and it is very spacious. The interior has heated front seats, 2-zone climate control and an 8-inch colour touchscreen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop in to Western Volkswagen Newbridge.